gonna explain to you guys right now what happened. I was just on the freeway testing out the mics, and I did a really hard pull. By the corner of my eye, I saw a cop coming on the on-ramp. For sure he saw me because he started hauling ass, and I was just at the perfect time to exit the freeway, and then this guy pulled next to me really quick, and I thought he was gonna pull me over because that is a government vehicle. It has those California exempt plates, and he was on my like right away, but I kind of just mellowed out and he just moved out of the way. But maybe he was just trying to scare me. But yeah, dude, oh my, I'll play the clip right now. Damn. Nope. Oh shit. I think there's a cop behind me, guys. Alright guys, we're starting off at the gas station once again, trying to mount the mics on different locations on the car, because right here on the trunk it's just way too loud. This thing is way too loud for that little mic, so I ended up placing it down here. Let's try that out, and hopefully at higher RPMs we can hear a decent exhaust sound and not blow the mics out. All right, let's see if my new mounting place for the mic is in the right spot. Hopefully it's not too loud. God, it sounds so good, guys. I love the Tomei. At first, I mean, it's still like ridiculously loud, but it sounds good. I don't know if it's just because it's titanium. I have a couple of people who have told me about the HKS Turbo, Super Turbo, something like that. It's a titanium material. I should have gone with that one. I just didn't know about it. After having my HKS, that thing was really, really quiet. I was not enjoying driving the car at all. So I decided to go with the Tomei, and I don't regret it, but it is too loud for the mics. They just blow out the mics and you can't hear anything. But hopefully this new mounting setup works a little bit better. Right now we're going on these back roads. Check out this awesome view. Doesn't get better than this. I'm trying, guys. Like, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to buy like another dead cat for the mic. Found out what the name for the fuzzies are actually called, dead cats. So I gotta find or buy a dead cat to go over the existing one, because this exhaust is way too loud. And I can see it spiking on the receiver. You know, when I hit those higher RPMs, the audio is not going to sound so great. Like, it breaks up. But I mean, being behind the car with the Tomei, you got to be crazy for that. And I don't blame that little mic. It's doing a good job though. Alright guys, so we made it to one of my favorite spots, and of course it's sunset, so it always looks the best here. Check out the view. So it looks like it's going to work having the mic underneath the car. It's still pretty loud, but it helps out with the audio breaking up at higher RPMs. It's actually on the gas tank, so that works out. I'm just trying to get some better audio for you guys. I'm using my crappy GoPro. Maybe I need to upgrade to an actual camera with an external mic, but these seem to work out. Time to head out because we're gonna get the boot. Yeah, everybody's leaving, so make sure you're careful. Okay, go ahead. Ready? Wow! I'm gonna go. Can you jump? Wow! Yeah, we're gonna go drive.
We made it!
We made it!
Turn around.
Wow!
And you say it.
That's some good singing, baby.
You say it.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I hope we don't get copyrighted.
You can say.
So I did some editing last night, and it looks like the audio actually came out decent. Way better than at first. It's good. Oh, it's red. That means stop. I'm stopping. That was too fast. Oh, you like that? We went fast, huh? You guys hear that? She's telling me go faster. That was too fast, she says. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope the audio came out good. Like I said, I did some editing last night, and the audio for the previous footage came out good, so I need to fine tune it. And I know once I do that, the audio is going to come out great. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stick around for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.